brain cells. There's multiple types of brain cells in your nervous system. Obviously, there's the neurons, and then there's the non-neurons, which are called the glia. There's astrocytes, microglia, ependymal cells, oligodendrocytes, and Schwann cells. So we're going to focus on the non-neurons for this talk. Starting off with the astrocytes. These are the most common, and if you look at the name, it kind of tells you the structure. Astro stands for stars, and as you can see, this structure does look kind of like a star. Their functions include physical support, repair. They help make the blood-brain barrier along with the capillaries, the capillary membranes, and then they're also involved in metabolic function. Importantly, they're involved in reactive gliosis after strokes, after neuron injury. So you're going to see that again and again for strokes. And also they stain for GFAP, which we'll see has significance in the brain cancer section. The next one is a microglia. These are macrophage equivalents of the CNS, so thus they do phagocytosis of debris and stuff you don't want. So basically microglia, macrophage, very easy. The next one is ependymal cells. These line the ventricles, which make CSF in the brain, and then the central canal, which I've nicely included a picture, which also has CSF flowing through it. Again, ependymal cells help in CSF circulation and absorption. They got little cilia to push the CSF around. Next is the oligodendrocytes. These myelate neurons in the CNS. Each one can myelate many axons, and they have a fried egg appearance on histology. So you can see here, here's the whole egg, and here's the egg yolk. Right there again, a whole egg, egg yolk. So the fried egg appearance, you're going to see this a lot too, so remember that. Just remember that oligodendrocytes are at the origin, the central nervous system. And then Schwann cells are the ones at the peripheral nervous system. These can only myelate a single peripheral nervous system axon at a time. So again, oligodendrocytes myelate in the central nervous system at the origin, and then Schwann cells are the peripheral nervous system.